Pearl and Rosie both love watching the birds. Turns out they like watching the birds on TV too. She doesn't like to be around her, so she's staying on the ground, but she wants to jump up there so bad. Come on up, Pearly. Pearly girl. Come here. Chirping's getting to her. She's trying to find it because the noise comes from back at you. Where's that noise coming from, Rosie? Yeah, it's okay, Pearl. Oh, that's another bird. I thought that was Pearl. Oh, I hate this phone's camera. Come on up. You can look at them birds. I knew it. I knew she was going to do that. Can't get them birds, can you, Rosie? What the heck? But what the heck in the hoot nanny? Okay. I just thought that was funny. I saw her going after some stuff, and I figured she might react to it, but I didn't think Pearly Girl would see it and come out. Mother cats don't seem to care. They're not even in here. They just left. I'll try it with them later. Oh my god. The bird's going crazy, Rosie. No, it's okay. Hey, it's okay. Yeah? Not so much? Alright. Dig it.